Hello from Woodlandia. In this video, you can see the LogRipper-300 running non-stop, milling cypress logs into 1x6 boards. In this episode, you will see the LogRipper-300 sawmill working together with our log feeding system LFS-15. The LogRipper-300 is a multifunctional sawmill which can turn various input materials into finished dimensional lumber in one pass. Let's have a closer look. The log feeding system contains a log deck, a single log feeder, and a log turner. One person can control everything: the sawmill, the log deck, the single log feeder, and the log turner. This enables a drastic decrease in labor costs and human labor. Using a joystick, the operator moves logs on the log deck forward. Then the single log feeder loads just one log at a time onto the log turner. Then the operator can turn the log onto the desired side and then move it to the sawmill's infeed. You can observe how logs are moving along the infeed and then are fed into the sawmill. Just one person can operate the LogRipper and log feeding system. A few more are needed to handle the milled products if there is no additional automation added at the outfeed. The number of people at the outfeed depends on the milling speed, which the operator controls. Sometimes people at the outfeed may require extra time to sort milled boards, and if the milling speed is too fast, they may not be able to keep up with the outfeed's finished products. When a log goes through the sawmill, the chipping cutter heads of the LogRipper eliminate the side slabs of a log, forming a two-sided cant. Next, the two-sided cant is ripsawn into boards. The thickness of the boards is determined by spacers, which the operator sets between the saw blades. The LogRipper-300 can accommodate round, raw, or seasoned, barked or debarked logs with diameters from 5 to 15 inches. Yes, the LogRipper can mill squares as well as 2 or 3-sided cants or big slabs into dimensional or custom lumber. In other words, the LogRipper can work as a primary breakdown sawmill producing 2-sided cants, or as a sawmill producing finished boards, or as a ripsaw, or as a slab processor, or even as a 2-sided planer. This is why we call our LogRippers multifunctional. On our YouTube channel, there are a few demo videos showing the LogRipper-300 working in different modes. The LogRipper-300 is a sawmill combining some of the capabilities of a multi-million-dollar one-pass-and-done sawmilling system in a much smaller footprint and budget that small and medium-sized sawmilling businesses can better afford. LogRippers outperform bandsaws and other competitors in the same price range. LogRippers are the most modern way to mill small and medium-sized stems, with a maximum butt diameter of 15 inches into finished products of desired profile in one pass. As you can see, it takes 20 to 30 seconds per log to go through the LogRipper. To run the machine requires 3-phase industrial power. The unit is shipped with 2 sets of saw blades, chipping knives, as well as a spare parts kit. Saw blades, chipping knife inserts, and spares are readily available. Woodlandia provides a 12-month warranty on the system in the USA and Canada, and 6 months warranty worldwide. Woodlandia LogRippers are perfectly suited for established sawmill operations, looking to modernize and maximize their business potential. We invite you to consider LogRippers as a strategic step toward enhancing your sawmill's efficiency and boosting your profitability. If you're ready to move forward, contact us today. We're ready to support your business growth. Please visit our dedicated website, logrippers.com, for more information.